Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this stunning 2020 Tesla Model 3. This is the long range model with the dual motor and the 75 kilowatt battery, returning up to 389 miles, so really impressive distance there. This is a one owner vehicle and it's covered just over 18,000 miles. The black paintwork was a £1,100 factory option from new. I think it does really make the car look very smart. As we open the door with these pop-out handles, you've got the really simple interior. So we'll start off on the seats, which are electric, heated and leather, and as you can see, are in great condition. The driver has an armrest there in the centre and two cup holders. Across the dashboard, you've got this wooden effect. And the big point on the Tesla, you've got the large screen there in the middle, which controls many features on the car, including your satellite navigation, Bluetooth and DAB radio. One feature I do particularly like is you've got this full length glass roof, which starts at the front and goes all the way through to the back as well, so that will let in plenty of light for you. As we open the rear doors, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there. Doors open nice and wide, so easy access. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have pockets in the back of the front seats and air vents as well. And opening the tailgate, which is automatic, reveals a really good sized boot there. It goes back a long way, nice and clean, and you've also got some extra storage below the boot floor for your charging cables and so on as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and 360-degree cameras. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance which is 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.